Good morning to everyone. I'm Dr. Sumi MS. The name of the course is C Programming and Data Structures, and today's lecture topic is Functions from Unit 1 C Programming Fundamentals. On completion, the students will be able to understand functions and its various types, create user-defined functions, as well as write C program to call a function. Functions. A function is a subprogram which consists of a set of instructions used to perform specified tasks. By using function, we can divide a complex task into some manageable small tasks. The function can also help to avoid duplication of work. Some advantages of functions include code reusability, better readability, reduction in code redundancy, as well as easy to debug and test. Once a function is being created, the set of statements, whenever it is needed again, we can directly call the function rather than typing the set of code again. So here code is getting reused, and also this will reduce the complexity in the program as well as errors can be reduced. Types of functions. Functions are generally classified into two types: user-defined functions as well as predefined or library functions or built-in functions. User-defined functions. These functions are defined by the user at the time of writing a program. Example, sum as given as a function, as well as square, it's given as a function. Library functions. These are also called as built-in functions and also called as predefined functions. These functions are already developed and are available in the C programming library for the user to use. Example, printf, scanf. Elements of user-defined functions. In order to write an efficient user-defined function, the programmer must be much familiar with the following three elements. First one is function declaration, then function definition, as well as function call. Function declaration. A function declaration is defined as a prototype of a function which consists of the function's return type. Following that, we have function name as well as the argument list. And this function declaration is always terminated with a semicolon. Function prototypes can be classified into four types: function with no arguments as well as no return values, function with arguments but no return values, function with arguments and also return values, and the final one is function with no arguments and with return values. Syntax. The syntax for declaring a function can be given as the return type, function name, and within arguments we have the parameter list, where return type can be primitive or a non-primitive data type. Function name can be any user specified name. Parameter list can consist of any number of parameters of any data type. Function call. The function can be called by simply specifying the name of the function, a return value, and parameters if they are to be present. The function call statement invokes the function. When a function is invoked, then the compiler will jump to that called function to execute the set of statements that are present in the function. Once the called function execution is over, then the program control goes back to the calling function. Quiz questions on functions. How do you call a function in C? Thank you.